Hey, let me show you how you can change straps in your Huawei Band 9. So first of all, we have to actually rotate our device. Let me just catch focus. There we go. And now you have to actually input something inside this button. I'm gonna to use my fingernail and I'm gonna press it like this. And now we have to pull this band. There we go. And we have to actually do the same with the left one. So put here your fingernail and press on it. Now remove your strap. And as you can see, that's how it looks. If you want to put it back, it's really simple. You have to just put it like this. Inside and push a little bit. And then do the same with the left one. There we go. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.